Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S75. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager and how to manage it. In the beginning, let's find the Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and apps. Also, you can check your collections and device storage. Next, you can use Nearby Share function to quickly send and receive files. In Clean, you can clean junk files from the smartphone. If you go to Menu, you've got access to Recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.